Did you know the Great Pyramid of Giza was built with precision so perfect that modern engineers still can't explain how it was done? This ancient wonder contains 2.3 million stone blocks. Each one weighs exactly 2.5 tons. They fit together with gaps smaller than a human hair. The base spans 13 acres and is perfectly leveled within just 2.1 centimeters. Here's what gets really crazy. The internal temperature stays exactly 20 degrees Celsius no matter what the weather is outside. Hot desert day or cool night, always 20 degrees. Modern surveyors need laser technology to achieve this kind of accuracy. Yet somehow, 4,500 years ago, ancient Egyptians did it with basic tools. Their stone-cutting precision actually surpasses what we can do today with our best equipment. But wait, it gets even more mind-blowing. Hidden in the pyramid's dimensions are pi, the golden ratio, and Earth's exact circumference. These are mathematical constants the Egyptians supposedly never discovered. So how did they encode advanced mathematics they didn't know into a monument more precise than anything we build today?